Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. Another update on Hertz. They pulled their bankruptcy share offering. They were getting pressure from the SEC and they decided, I think they did the right thing and pull it instead of just selling it to people who didn't know any better. Starting to break down. Again, I advise majority of retail people should not be in this unless you really understand bankruptcy, your equity risk, that common stock is not secured and can get wiped out completely. The bonds are pricing it in as it probably will be completely wiped out. So you shouldn't be trading this, and it's starting to show right now with smaller ranges. Again, sitting right, it bounced up, coming back. Key support, this 171 on a closing basis. If we do get a close below that, again, we're watching for 114 and 57 cents. So we're watching for a even bigger pullback. Keep that in mind, because if you're trading this from the long side and it starts collapsing, you're going to have to get out, and you shouldn't even be in it. Rotation zone against, so it spiked up in the rotation zone, spiked up in the rotation zone, all closing below it. On the 4-hour daily chart, you can see the rotation zone is in bearish mode, spiking up into it and coming down and closing against it. And in the weekly, you can see on this little run up, the big ramp up with a bunch of people running into this, coming up against this nice little resistance ledge, top of this spike into the rotation zone near the top, and then closing back down below the rotation zone and continuing lower. So everything is in bearish mode. Everything is negative. They are in bankruptcy proceedings. The reason we're putting this out there, again, be cautious. Don't just, oh, it's going to bounce, it's got to go do something. Don't get sucked into this. You should not be in this if you're just a retail trader, retail day traders, other things to trade. We cover other things to trade on our channel. And even when I fundamentally don't like some of the stuff I trade because they have fundamentals that don't match the stock price, it's still a better trading vehicle than being in a company going through bankruptcy and trying to trade their common stock. So we have for you on Hertz, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.